And thank you guys for coming, and I'm really happy to have a conversation with you, like one on one. Yes, of course, I would love, love, love to be a part of a film where I am a sports person. I can't wait to actually, because and also like the way. Thank you to Rakesh sir for writing Ananya. She, I think she's amazing, not because she's vulnerable, but because she's so strong, and we really need women like Ananya. And even in future films that I do, I want to be somebody who's mentally strong, and something that people have, like, we meet a lot of girls in our real life, and they're the heroes. Like, having said that, yes, I'm waiting for Sir to give me a script where I get to play either, I would love to be a swimmer because I'm hydrophobic. And I was reading the book, and I read that Sir's son was mentioning that how he just pushed him into the pool without any notice while he was 3. And I really need a director like Rakesh sir who could just like push me in that pool or in that ocean, and I just want to like get rid of my fear. And so probably I can, like, sir, if you're making a film like that, I would love to be a part of it.
Uh, Most certainly, homework to mil gaya, chalo. I was without a job now. I have now one. No, incredible. And I think, Mrinal, you uh, are already a part of a very important sports film, and you are the main protagonist in the film. Along with Farhan, of course, and you are the main mover. You are the voice of the film. You are the soul of the film. For the uninitiated who haven't seen Tufan yet, how many of us have seen Tufan? Sorry. Okay, this is great. Actually,
Most
oh
of you.
wow, yeah. I've never had such a reaction on any of my film that more than 50% of the house has seen it. Yes, over time, I'm sure we'll all catch it. Uh, so, for the ones who haven't seen the film, it's about making the right choices in life. And all of us always have choices. And this has been written in our Puranas and the Vedas always. And that's the beauty is they've never preached you, they've always given you a choice, and then you have to choose. And that's Mrinal's character in the film called Ananya Prabhu. Ananya Prabhu is a doctor. She's independent, she's confident, she has a voice. And how she molds the life of a street fighter, a goon, you know, a gang member of a bhai. And she sees the fire in him and she channelizes him into becoming uh, a great a boxer, a sportsman, and a national champion who has potential to go out uh, and win more laurels for the country also. It's a very heart-rending film. Also, it is not so simple for her. It is not just uh, showing somebody the path. She also is fighting her own demons and her own war of bias and prejudice in what the society faces at large. So it was not an easy role, Mrinal, and I'm so glad that you accepted to be a part of it. And today, no, it's not in that way, but the universe conspires. I think the right thing happens to all of us always if we stay positive. So you're already part of a sports film, another
I
sports
am,
film.
yes. Another I want to do, but Rita, I have
She's
to
greedy.
mention,
Yeah.
I am very greedy. I'm very selfish when it comes to an actor. But trust me, Rita, when I was on the movie set, on Tufan when we were filming, and I'm a big fan of real locations, and so he himself is. He told me one thing that Mranal, oh, that's your playground. Just go play, just go act. He never told me what I'm supposed to do, and that's what I love about him. If he felt like I was little distracted or I was going a little off track, he would always be like, Ani, let's do it this way. I was like,
How
okay. And
nice.
that's the most beautiful thing about Sir. um, and trust me, I cannot get enough. I mean, I just feel like you know, even though the journey Tufan, we've stopped, we're not filming anymore. I just want to go back on sets, and I literally am having the hangover of, you know, I'm missing my set so much, and I can't wait for Sir to make Tufan 2, or where I'm actually in the ring this time. So my family had moved to Kerala, and I was staying here in a hostel, and I really did not enjoy the hostel life. Trust me. Um, I used to dream that one day I'll just like have house of my own, and I really worked towards it. And the progress, it took like lot of time, but it happened, and I knew that one day I'm going to make that difference. Uh, to appear in front of camera and to appear on television was like a big task, because coming from a Maharashtrian background, from a family who was not really comfortable with me being an artist, being an actor, it was difficult to convince them. But like Mughal Azam changed everything for Sir. For me, it was Three Idiots.
Wow.
Yes. So, you know, like you see how the characters, they follow their heart, they follow their passion, and पैसे तो क्या है, अगर आप आपका job, if you enjoy working, if you love doing what I mean, you should just enjoy doing what you really love. So I just followed that, and I made sure that I somehow, I'm sorry, mom and dad, but I convinced and I manipulated them to allow me to pursue Bachelor of Mass Media, and then allow me to do, you know, to be an actor. And after the first show, they were so proud of me, because I had a conversation. This was the first time I was having an honest conversation with my family. I think these were very, very important. You know, also for like my friends, they are unable to do what they want to, they desire, because their parents want them to be in a certain way. They want them to be either a doctor or an engineer. But trust me, whoever, I'm like, please guys, like allow your kids to follow their passion. And I'm sure they will excel, because nobody is as amazing. You know, in the book also, Sir has mentioned that the biggest competitor is you yourself. So, but स्कूल में ये सिखाया जाता है कि उसको इतने मार्क्स मिले तो तुमको भी ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलना चाहिए. So please don't compare your child with the other kids around. So this journey, you know, from making the transition from medical to Bachelor of Mass Media, from mass media to television, from television to films, it's a constant um, struggle, hustle. But I'm kind of loving it, because I enjoy drama in my life. Yes, where Salma Hayek featured in it. And I was like, Salma Hayek, I really want to be like her. And the best thing that happened during Love Sonia was I got a call from my director, Tabriz Noorani, saying that, you know, Demi Moore and Salma Hayek are friends. And Demi showed the poster to Salma, and Salma says, oh my God, Mrinal looks like me. And I'm like, oh my God,
I was just going to say that.
Did she say that? And I was very happy. So, you know, when I was facing the camera for the first time during my audition, I was staying in a hostel, and my first monologue was about mother. मैं बहुत मिस कर रही थी मम्मी को, क्योंकि मैं हॉस्टल में थी और मम्मा केरला में थी, हम दोनों रो रहे थे. I was 17 years old. And in that room, when that audition was happening, I just felt like I was talking to my mother. And that was the time I made best friends, you know, with camera. So that's how I felt कि this is it. Film ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. Three Idiots literally changed my life, and I'll always be thankful to that movie. And there are many actors like Irfan Sir, Tabu, they are my favorite performers. When I was studying literature, The Namesake, the book, हम लोग ने cheating की, मैंने cheating की, मैंने book नहीं पढ़ी थी. मैंने सीधी जाके movie देखी, क्योंकि I connect more to visuals. But I feel like literature is something that allows an actor to explore and understand the journey. So I started read. I was not a reader. Let me admit that. I started reading poetry. I followed Rupi Kaur, and then my co-actors. When I used to watch them read, I used to keep asking. They used to read to me. So. And the first time I got a book, Present, The Fault in Our Stars, which I told you, I'm a sucker for romance. So when I started, जब मैंने वो book पढ़नी शुरू की, तो मुझे यू नो दैट क्यूरियोसिटी बिल्ड हो रही थी कि आगे क्या होगा, या मुझे ऐसी और रोमांटिक मूवीज़ फिल्म्स पढ़नी है. एंड इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ तब होती है जब मूवीज़ भी होती है और बुक्स भी होती है, तो आप दोनों कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. तो मेरे लिए अगर आप पूछे, आई एम मोर ऑफ अ विजुअल पर्सन, एंड you know, Harry Potter and all these films really like excited me and when I was growing up. But talking about, let's get back to the question. I get distracted a lot, but the question, how did I land? Yes, I landed. I think it's because of the credit goes to my dad. um, I don't know कैसे react करेंगे पापा, लेकिन
I'm sure he'll be very happy.
you know, he was hesitant to allow me to be in this field क्योंकि लोग डरते हैं, उनको लगता है कहीं मेरी बेटी बिगड़ ना जाए, कहीं कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. लेकिन everything is, I met like the best people. मैं हमेशा अच्छे लोगों के साथ, talented लोगों के साथ, और you know, working with Rakesh sir was like a dream come true because I had mentioned this earlier also. मैंने उनको Facebook पे मैसेज भेजा था भाग मिल्खा भाग देखने के बाद. मैं अकेली थिएटर में देख रही थी मूवी, और मुझे फिल्में अकेले देखना बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि मुझे वो डिस्टर्ब करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, कोई अगर मुझे डिस्टर्ब करे. तो मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हुई थी वो फिल्म देखने के बाद, और मैंने सर को मैसेज भी भेजा था. आई डोंट थिंक ही इज़ एक्टिव ऑन फेसबुक, लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी टुडे ऑल्सो दिस बुक हैज़ चेंज्ड माई लाइफ. आई टेल यू हाउ. You know, when after Tufan, I keep cribbing. I keep sending sir messages. Sir, I really miss you because there's nobody like him. I adore him. I respect him. I worship him because he's really like the best director, my dream director that I really wanted to work with. Or The Stranger in the Mirror. Yes, I met that stranger in the mirror. In between the shots, जब जो दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स है, अगर उनको लगता है कि मेरा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था, मैं वैनिटी में आकर बैठती और मैं मिरर के सामने मैं अपने आप को देखती रहती हूँ. मैं ये नहीं देखती कि मेकअप कैसा है या मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे मेरी पूरी हिस्ट्री आ जाती कि वाई डिड आई स्टार्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हेन द रियल मी, यू नो, बहुत कम लोगों को वो पावर होता है अपने अंदर के अपने आप को मिला पाए. सो आई थिंक ही इज़ दैट पर्सन हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू माई सेल्फ.